AI is revolutionizing healthcare, from diagnostics to personalized medicine. The evolution of technology is causing a paradigm shift in the means by which medical professionals diagnose, treat, and manage diseases. This shift is being brought about by the progression of technology. In the end, this change is being responsible for the development of healthcare solutions that are more efficient, accurate, and individualized. Number 5. The application of artificial intelligence has had a considerable impact on the field of diagnostics, which in turn has had a large impact on the field of healthcare and other areas. Traditional techniques of diagnosis are sometimes dependent on the knowledge and judgment of medical professionals. This is the case in certain situations. There are occasions when this can be subjective, and it is extremely prone to errors that are caused by human error. Contrarily, artificial intelligence makes use of vast volumes of medical data in order to recognize patterns and anomalies that may not be immediately evident to the human eye. This is accomplished by analyzing an enormous quantity of information. The data are analyzed in order to detect patterns and irregularities, which allows for the successful completion of this task. X-rays, magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, and computed tomography, CT, scans are examples of medical images that may be analyzed with amazing precision by use of artificial intelligence algorithms, which are a subset of machine learning. This is due to the fact that algorithms that are used for machine learning are able to learn from their own failures. In many situations, it is feasible for them to attain a higher level of accuracy than the human radiologists who perform the examinations. The use of these algorithms allows for the detection of early warning indicators of diseases such as cancer, which in turn paves the way for earlier intervention and improved patient outcomes. In addition, these algorithms are utilized to enhance the outcomes for patients. For instance, using mammograms as an example, artificial intelligence algorithms have been designed to identify breast cancer with a higher degree of accuracy than the conventional methodology. This is in comparison to the conventional methods. A significant decrease in the number of false positives and false negatives has occurred as a direct consequence of this effect. Number 4. In addition, the diagnostic process is being improved by artificial intelligence through the application of natural language processing, NLP, which goes beyond imaging. This goes beyond the scope of natural language processing. Through the use of natural language processing, NLP algorithms, it is now possible to extract pertinent information from unstructured medical data, such as patient records and clinical notes, and to provide insights on the health state of a patient. In order to accomplish this, natural language processing, NLP, methods are utilized. Due to the presence of this characteristic, it is now possible to produce diagnoses that are more thorough and accurate than those that could be made by a human physician. This is due to the fact that technology takes into consideration a substantially wider variety of data points than a human physician might. Additionally, diagnostic tools that are powered by artificial intelligence are able to incorporate data from a variety of sources, such as genetic information, lifestyle factors, and environmental effects, in order to provide a comprehensive study of a patient's health. This allows the diagnostic tools to present a more complete picture of the patient's condition. The diagnostic tools are able to deliver a more accurate diagnosis as a result of this, eliminating the need for human intervention whenever possible. In cases that are particularly complex and involve a number of different variables that are the cause of the ailment that they are treating, this integration is particularly beneficial. Number 3. A further point to consider is that the implementation of artificial intelligence is providing a substantial boost to the development of personalized medicine. One method of treating patients is known as personalized medicine, and it is an approach to medicine that seeks to tailor medical therapy to the specific characteristics of each individual patient. This is a substantial divergence from the traditional approach, which involves treating each and every patient in the same manner. This process is made much simpler by the utilization of artificial intelligence, which analyzes massive data sets in order to determine which pharmaceuticals are the most beneficial for particular patient groups. By way of illustration, there are algorithms that are powered by artificial intelligence that are able to provide projections regarding the manner in which a patient will respond to a specific prescription by making use of the patient's genetic profile. Additionally, as a consequence of this, medical professionals are able to select the treatment that is not only the most appropriate but also the most effective for the individual who is being treated. As a consequence of this, the outcomes for patients are improved and also minimizes the possibility that those patients would experience unpleasant reactions. Furthermore, it reduces the amount of trial and error that is typically connected with identifying the right prescription of a medication. Number 2. Research in the field of medicine is gaining advantages from the support of artificial intelligence, which is assisting in the acceleration of the process of developing new treatments. The usual method of developing medications is a procedure that is not only time-consuming but also extremely expensive. This is because the conventional method includes a number of steps. It normally takes more than a decade and billions of dollars to bring a novel treatment or pharmaceutical to market. This is because the process of bringing it to market is a lengthy and expensive one. An artificial intelligence system is utilized to simplify the procedure by evaluating vast volumes of biological data in a short amount of time in order to discover potential candidates for medicine. This is done in order to identify potential candidates. In the future, it will be possible for machine learning algorithms to provide predictions regarding the efficacy and safety of these candidates. This will result in a huge reduction in the amount of time and money that is required for the development of medicines. Uncovering new applications for drugs that are already available on the market is one of the applications of artificial intelligence that has been utilized. When it comes to diseases that currently have a limited number of treatments available, drug repurposing is an approach that has the potential to rapidly come up with fresh therapy alternatives. Regarding these illnesses, there are now only a few therapy choices that are available to choose from. To further improve the quality of care provided to patients, one step that may be taken is the development of intelligent healthcare systems, which can be made possible by artificial intelligence. The usage of artificial intelligence is incorporated into these technologies so that a vigilant watch can be kept on patients in real time. It is because of this that they are able to bring prospective problems to the notice of medical professionals before they become serious. The ability to continuously monitor vital signs such as heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen levels is made possible by wearable devices that are powered by artificial intelligence, for example. One example of a wearable device is the one seen above. As a consequence of this, they are in a position to provide early warning indicators of conditions such as heart attacks and strokes. Monitoring that takes place in real time makes it possible to take early action, which has the potential to save lives and reduce the amount of work that emergency services have to do. This is a win-win situation. Number 1. Additionally, artificial intelligence is enhancing the effectiveness of operations in the healthcare sector, which is a positive development. There is the potential for administrative chores including scheduling, billing, and patient administration to be automated through the utilization of artificial intelligence resources. This frees up significant time for medical workers, allowing them to concentrate on providing treatment to patients, which ultimately contributes to the patient's overall benefit. Additionally, the employment of chatbots and virtual assistants that are powered by artificial intelligence is being implemented in order to manage common queries and offer patients information regarding their medical concerns. This is being done in order to manage repetitive questions. By acting in this manner, we are making a contribution to the improvement of the accessibility and efficiency of healthcare services. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.